rainbow. We are in Bangkok, Thailand. This is a street seafood restaurant called Our Place. It's about 2 or 3 blocks down from Soi 4 Nana, and it is one of my favorite places to go. You can see they do all of your different barbecue fishes. This is delicious, but this isn't what I came for today. Today, I came specifically for the shellfish. You pick out what you want, they will scoop it up, and I mean, when I say scoop it up, I mean, let's just face it, you better be hungry. And this meal, by the way, came up to about $9 American, and they just keep loading you up with all you basically can eat. You just keep saying, I'll take a little bit more. All right, they put a few more on there.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
After they load you up, they're going to bring you over where they're going to give it a good cook. And the first thing they're going to do is they're going to cook it in a hot broth right here. This is just to make sure the shellfish is fully cooked because it's fresh. This is not frozen. This came right out of the ocean the night before, okay? And so they're going to cook it up for you, and then they're going to do some nice stir frying, and wait till you see this. Here they open everything up for you. It's been cooked in the broth now, so now they're opening everything up and getting ready for the next step, the stir fry. And now everything goes into the fire, and they will start adding some spices. Look at that. Now adding in some herbs.
Come on, that's incredible. Oh.
Let's sit down and eat some nice white rice on the side, and let's enjoy. 3 different kinds of shellfish, absolutely delicious. Not spicy, it's really more savory, and you can add spice if you want. Again, we're looking at about $9 or about 300 baht for this whole meal. Absolutely fantastic. I love to hit this place.